Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been hunting for a versatile eyeliner that can give you both depth and dimension, you're going to want to see this. We're taking a close look at the Estée Lauder Smoke and Brighten Long-Lasting Waterproof Kajal Eyeliner Duo, which comes in the shade 04 Dark Chocolate/Rich Bronze. That's a deep, smoldering brown paired with a warm, luminous bronze. It promises long wear and waterproof performance, all in a sleek pencil format designed to add definition and a subtle glow. Right out of the box, the duo feels luxe, typical of Estée Lauder's elegant packaging. The pencils are smooth and creamy to the touch, yet firm enough to give you precise lines without tugging at your delicate lash line. The dark chocolate side is rich and pigmented, perfect for a smoky, sultry look, while the rich bronze adds a luminous shimmer that can brighten the inner corners or create a soft gradient. Both sides are labeled as waterproof, which is ideal if you need your eye makeup to stay put through long days, humidity, or even a few tears. I tried incorporating this into both a daytime subtle look and a more dramatic evening eye. Applying the dark chocolate on the upper lash line was effortless. It glided on smoothly and allowed for easy smudging for a smoky effect. The rich bronze really shines when applied on the lower lash line or inner corners. It catches the light beautifully and adds dimension without being overpowering. The waterproof claim held up well during normal wear, resisting smudges and fading until I removed it at the end of the day. The only slight challenge is that, because it's so creamy, it can require a light hand if you're aiming for a super precise line, but that's a minor adjustment. What I love about this duo is the balance between versatility and quality. It's easy to use for both quick everyday looks and more intricate smoky eye styles. On the downside, it's a premium product, so the price is on the higher side compared to single pencils or drugstore options, and some may find the shimmer a bit subtle if they're expecting full-on metallic intensity. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's justified if you're looking for a dual-purpose, long-lasting, and waterproof eyeliner with both matte and luminous effects. Compared to other high-end eyeliners, it stands out for its combination of creamy texture, pigmentation, and dual shades in one pencil. Although alternatives like MAC or Bobbi Brown offer strong single-shade options at a slightly lower price point, they don't always give you the same duo convenience. The build quality is excellent, sturdy pencils with precise twist-up mechanisms and caps that snap securely. Longevity is solid. I've tested it over several hours without noticeable fading. Estée Lauder is known for responsive customer support, so if any issues arise, you can expect professional assistance. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with both smoky and luminous looks without carrying multiple pencils, this duo is a smart choice. For those on a tighter budget, you could look at comparable drugstore duos, but you might compromise on texture and long-wear performance. So is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Estée Lauder Smoke and Brighten Kajal Eyeliner Duo delivers rich pigmentation, versatile shades, and dependable waterproof performance. It's ideal for makeup lovers who want a mix of matte depth and luminous highlights in a single product. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how you style yours. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.